Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to cancel your Jio Autopay in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Jio Hotstar is getting auto renewed, if you want to cancel your auto payment of your Jio Hotstar, then I will show you how to do this. In this you can see this is my Jio Hotstar. Just you have to open your Jio Hotstar app. In bottom you can see here my space. You have to just tap on this my space. Here you can see premium 3-month plan. You have to just tap on this. In this you will find two options, one is upgrade and one is cancel. You have to just tap on cancel. You can see a date, next payment on so and so date. Just tap on cancel. After that, here you will find two options. I will keep my subscription, I still want to cancel. You have to select the second option, I still want to cancel. Then tap on cancel auto renewal. Now you can see here before they were showing two options. One was cancel and one was upgrade. Now we have cancelled the auto payment. Now it is showing only one option. After that you will get a confirmation that your auto payment has been cancelled. After doing this, you have to do another step, that is you have to open your UPI app which you have done payment for your Jio Hotstar. I have done from my PhonePe app, so I will open my PhonePe app. Just enter your security code. In this you can see here search option, tap on this, then tap on this search, then type here autopay. You will find the first option autopay, tap on that. Here you will find your auto payment which you have done. Just tap on this cancelled. Already I have cancelled, so I need to just tap on this remove option. Just tap on confirm. Now you can see auto payment has been removed. So in this way you can cancel auto pay of your Jio Hotstar from your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.